Remember the California gold rush? It was a time when thousands of people from all walks of life packed up their belongings and headed west, driven by the hope of striking it rich. They left behind their homes, their families, and their jobs, all for the chance to find gold and change their fortunes forever. Thousands flocked west, chasing dreams of striking it rich. Some did, most didn't. The gold rush was a gamble, a high-stakes game, where the odds were often stacked against the prospectors. Yet the allure of untold wealth was too strong to resist. Today, a new kind of gold rush is happening online: eBay dropshipping. This modern-day gold rush doesn't require a pickaxe or a pan. Instead, it requires a laptop, an internet connection, and a bit of savvy. Dropshipping has opened up a world of opportunities for aspiring entrepreneurs. What if I told you that you could start an online business with minimal upfront investment? Imagine being able to sell products without ever having to touch them. No need to rent a warehouse, pack boxes, or handle shipping. This is the beauty of dropshipping. No need to rent a warehouse, pack boxes, or handle shipping. The logistics are handled by your suppliers, allowing you to focus on what really matters: growing your business and reaching new customers. That's the allure of dropshipping. It's a business model that allows you to operate with minimal overhead and maximum flexibility. You can run your business from anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection. You're the middleman connecting buyers with suppliers. Your job is to find products that people want to buy, list them on your online store, and then pass the orders on to your suppliers. They handle the rest, from packing to shipping. Sound too good to be true? It's not. Dropshipping is a legitimate business model that has been used by countless entrepreneurs to build successful online stores. However, it's important to remember that it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Dropshipping is a legitimate business model, but it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn. You'll need to invest time in researching products, finding reliable suppliers, and marketing your store. It takes work, dedication, and a sprinkle of entrepreneurial spirit. You'll face challenges along the way, but with perseverance and a positive attitude, you can overcome them and build a thriving business. Ready to grab your virtual pick and pan and see if you can strike gold? Let's dive in. The world of eBay dropshipping is waiting for you, full of potential and opportunity. Are you ready to take the plunge and start your own online business? The journey may be challenging, but the rewards can be immense. Let's get started. Dropshipping is shrouded in myths and misconceptions. Let's clear the air, shall we? Dropshipping, a popular e-commerce model, often gets a bad rap due to misunderstandings and misinformation. Today, we're here to set the record straight and help you navigate through the noise. Myth number 1, dropshipping is dead. Think again. While competition exists, millions of transactions occur daily on eBay. There's plenty of room for newcomers. The market is vast and ever-evolving, providing ample opportunities for those willing to put in the work. Newcomers are entering the eBay dropshipping market every day, finding their unique niches and making their mark. Myth number 2, dropshipping is a get-rich-quick scheme. Nope. It requires effort, just like any other business. Success doesn't happen overnight. You need to research products, understand your market, and build a reliable supplier network. It's about consistent effort and learning from your experiences. The stories of overnight success are rare and often exaggerated. Real success in dropshipping comes from dedication and hard work. Myth number 3, you need to be a tech whiz. False. eBay has user-friendly tools, and plenty of resources are available to help you. From listing products to managing orders, eBay's platform is designed to be accessible even for those who aren't tech-savvy. Countless tutorials, forums, and support groups can guide you through the process. With a bit of patience and willingness to learn, anyone can master the basics of dropshipping on eBay. Myth number 4. Dropshipping is unethical. Not necessarily. It's all about transparency. Be upfront about shipping times and source from reputable suppliers. Ethical dropshipping involves clear communication with your customers and ensuring that they know what to expect. By sourcing from reputable suppliers, you can maintain quality and build trust with your customers. Transparency in your business practices can set you apart from less scrupulous competitors and help you build a loyal customer base. Feeling relieved? Good. Now that we've busted some myths, let's move on to finding your niche. Identifying a niche market can be the key to your dropshipping success. It allows you to focus on a specific audience and tailor your offerings to meet their needs. Research trends, understand your potential customers, and find a niche that excites you. With the right approach, dropshipping can be a rewarding and profitable venture. Imagine walking into a store selling everything from fishing rods to feather boas. Overwhelming, right? That's why choosing a niche is crucial. It's about focusing on a specific product category that you're passionate about and that has potential for profit. Think about your interests, hobbies, and what you know. Are you a fitness fanatic, a tech enthusiast, a pet lover? Your passion can fuel your business. Research is key. Explore eBay's trending products, analyze competitors, and identify gaps in the market. What are people searching for but not finding? Remember, your niche should be narrow enough to stand out, but broad enough to attract a sizable audience. Your niche is your treasure map, and sourcing is the adventure of finding the hidden gems, your products. But where do you search? Online marketplaces like AliExpress, Alibaba, and DHgate are treasure troves of dropshipping suppliers. Look for suppliers with good ratings, competitive prices, and efficient shipping. Partnering with US-based suppliers can reduce shipping times and enhance customer satisfaction. Attending trade shows can connect you with suppliers and give you a first-hand look at products. Remember, vetting your suppliers is crucial. Look for reliability, quality products, and excellent communication. Your supplier is your business partner, so choose wisely. You've got your niche, your suppliers, and a burning entrepreneurial spirit. Now it's time to build your eBay empire. Don't worry, it's easier than building Rome. Create a stellar eBay account by choosing a catchy business name and creating a professional-looking profile. List your products with compelling product descriptions that highlight benefits and entice buyers. Set competitive prices, remembering to factor in your costs, eBay fees, and desired profit margin. Offer excellent customer service by responding promptly to inquiries and addressing any issues with professionalism. Think of your eBay store as your online storefront. Make it welcoming, informative, and easy to navigate. In the digital world, a picture is worth 1,000 words, especially when it comes to selling online. The first impression your product makes can be the difference between a sale and a missed opportunity. High-quality product photos can make or break a sale. Investing time and effort into capturing the perfect shot is crucial. A well-lit, clear, and detailed image can convey the quality and value of your product far better than any description. Use natural lighting, as natural light is your best friend. It provides a soft, even illumination that enhances the true colors and textures of your product. Shoot photos near a window or outdoors for optimal results. The natural light will help to avoid harsh shadows and give your product a more authentic look. If shooting indoors, position your product near a large window and shoot during the day when the light is at its best. Showcase different angles since buyers want to see every detail. Capturing your product from multiple angles helps to provide a comprehensive view, making it easier for potential customers to understand what they are buying. Provide multiple photos from different perspectives. This includes close-ups of important features, as well as full shots that show the product in its entirety. Use props sparingly, as props can add context and visual interest, but don't go overboard. The key is to enhance the product, not overshadow it. Choose props that complement the product and help to tell its story. Edit your photos using basic editing tools to adjust brightness, contrast, and sharpness. Editing can help to correct any imperfections and make your product stand out. However, be careful not to over-edit, as this can make the product look unrealistic. Remember, your goal is to present your products in the most appealing way possible. Make them irresistible. A well-presented product photo can capture the attention of potential buyers and increase the likelihood of a sale. Pay attention to every detail, from the lighting and angles to the props and editing, to ensure your product shines online.